What happened is that we spent the whole day trying to work this matter out, and obviously we were trying to work it out in Joe's interest. We went from a 2-count indictment, one a second degree, where whoever was in the courtroom heard that he faced 10 years on this charge with a potentiality of 5 years without parole, which means you do every minute of the 5 years, which could have been consecutive to the federal sentence, which means he would have been in federal prison. And if they, when he was ready to go out, they transfer him to the state system. We eventually worked it out that the first count was amended to a 4th degree, that's the lowest of the crimes in New Jersey. It carries a potential of 18 months. We can argue for less. The state can argue for the 18 months, but it's concurrent. That's the big word with the federal sentence. So in essence, he'll do no more time on these charges than he's going to do in the federal court. In the federal court, he got a 41-month sentence, and everybody said, well, it's 41 months, but you get some time off, so it's basically a little bit less than 35 months, and he won't do any state time. Additionally, he will be allowed to be out until Teresa gets out, and then start his federal sentence, which will encompass this state sentence. So that's the best we could do, and it's a mere possessory charge. The one serious charge was amended, and that was using official documents to go to motor vehicles and get a license. That is not there, and he denies that. He did admit that he had a driver's license that had his picture with his brother's information on it. So aside from going to trial and being acquitted, this is the best anybody could ever do. One other thing too, everybody writes in the press and so forth about the guidelines, what they face with the guidelines, and the maximum was in months. Technically, for example, with Joe, he had pled guilty to various counts which carried 36 years. Judge Salas could have gone up to 36 years. We got the rest of the counts of the 41-count indictment dismissed. And originally the indictment carried over 200 years. We made it so that he only pled guilty to one non-filing when, as you know, there were numerous years of it. So all in all, he's happy for himself and for his children that this will be behind him, and then he'll have, when I say behind him, the court proceedings, they'll have to actually do the time, but there's life after that.